Hello, I'm Lillian with Time to Sign, and I wanted to share a huge limited time opportunity to grow your ASL skills for the classroom or the home. We're offering a 4-part live webinar series that includes 2-hour live webinar, full recording, eBooks, video lessons, printable materials and resources, and more. Topics include early communication, birth to 5, so fostering communications, behavior guidance with ASL for classroom and behavior management, and working with special needs such as nonverbal or autism, and teaching social and emotional learning with sign language. For a limited time, it's $99 for all 4 live webinars to attend. Now, after November 20th, it becomes $129 instead of $99 offer. There's a bonus for the first 20 that register for the $99 deal. I am going to ship to you the Fostering Communication Sign Language book. And it has over 200 signs. And it's from birth to 5 years. What signs to teach, how to teach them, and then topical areas of learning and activities to introduce the signs to. This is limited, and it is for us to provide sign language for the home or the classroom to help our children communicate better. This is an amazing, amazing offer of over 80% off retail. And if you cannot join us on one of the dates are in December and January, we are going to upload the recording in the Dropbox link, that folder that you will receive for that training, so that you can always go back and view it. And you'll have access of that for an entire year. So come join us and learn sign language the right way and be an effective teacher using sign language or parent with your young children. Sign language is a game changer, and it boosts communication, and it's a brain booster, right? IQ levels you've never seen before, up to 12 IQ points boost, which is a huge boost to our young children, especially our children that are nonverbal or in the spectrum. So come join us, click below, don't miss out on this amazing opportunity that's only going to be available at this incredible price this year. And again, this is a gift to you, my fellow educators and parents that would love to teach sign language the effective way to your young children. So I hope you join us, and looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you. Also, it's a great gift for your favorite teachers out there. Thank you. Purchase orders are accepted, and we have group discounts. So come check it out. Thank you. Bye-bye.